Guys, New Zealand is quietly becoming one of the most strategic immigration destinations in 2026. And surprisingly, many employers are actively looking for foreign workers because they simply don't have enough people to fill available jobs. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how foreigners are moving to New Zealand in 2026. This information could completely change your immigration plans for 2026. New Zealand continues to face labor shortages across multiple industries. This has created a major market gap. And whenever a country has more jobs than workers, immigration becomes part of the solution. That's exactly what's happening in New Zealand. The government continues supporting employer-sponsored pathways that allow companies to recruit international workers when local candidates cannot be found. This is why thousands of foreign workers continue arriving every year. This is the best time to focus on countries with real labor shortages instead of competing with millions of applicants in overcrowded destinations. And right now, New Zealand is one of those countries. 5 priority sectors and salaries. 1. Construction sector. Construction remains one of the biggest hiring sectors. Popular positions include construction laborer, carpenter assistant, concrete worker, scaffolder, site worker. Monthly salary, $3,000 to $5,000 plus. Experienced workers can earn even more. Major infrastructure projects continue creating demand across the country. 2. Agriculture and farming. New Zealand's economy heavily depends on agriculture. Popular roles include farm worker, dairy farm assistant, fruit picker, livestock worker, agricultural laborer. Monthly salary, $2,800 to $4,500 plus. Many employers also assist with accommodation. 3. Warehouse and logistics. This sector is growing rapidly. Common positions include warehouse assistant, picker-packer, forklift operator, inventory clerk, dispatch assistant. Monthly salary, $3,000 to $4,800 plus. Many positions require little or no previous experience. 4. Healthcare support. New Zealand continues to need support workers. Popular roles include caregiver, healthcare assistant, disability support worker, aged care worker. Monthly salary, $3,500 to $5,500 plus. This sector offers strong long-term opportunities. 5. Hospitality and tourism. Tourism continues recovering and expanding. Popular roles include hotel housekeeper, kitchen assistant, wait staff, cleaner, food service worker. Monthly salary, $2,800 to $4,500 plus. This sector remains one of the easiest entry points for many foreigners. Step-by-step roadmap. 1. Prepare a New Zealand-style CV. Keep it simple. Focus on skills. Highlight practical experience. Include certifications if available. 2. Search for jobs from trusted sources. Jobs.govt.nz, Seek.co.nz, Careers.govt.nz. These platforms regularly feature opportunities across multiple industries. 3. Apply strategically. Don't submit only one application. Apply to multiple employers. The more quality applications you submit, the higher your chances. 4. Attend interviews. Many employers now conduct online interviews. Be prepared. Research the company. Practice common interview questions. Demonstrate reliability and willingness to work. 5. Secure a job offer. This is where everything changes. A valid job offer can support your work visa application process. 6. Submit visa documentation. Ensure every document is accurate and complete. Missing documents often cause delays. 7. Arrive in New Zealand. Begin working. Build local experience. And explore long-term pathways that may eventually lead to residency opportunities depending on your circumstances and immigration policies at the time. Guys, New Zealand is creating opportunities that many people are completely ignoring. While everyone is competing for the same destinations, smart applicants are focusing on countries with genuine labor shortages. And that's exactly why this opportunity deserves your attention in 2026. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me. Which country are you watching from? And which sector interests you the most? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications. And keep watching because I regularly share verified opportunities, visa pathways, and immigration updates that could help you move abroad faster. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.